Good morning. I received this in the mail yesterday. It came from Shaklee, and yes, it arrived on a Sunday. And this is from our last year's conference, 65 Years of Making Healthy Happen. And you're about to watch the unveiling of what's inside. So, let's get started. Well, first we have this wonderful shaker bottle. Isn't that cool? I can put my shake inside, shake it up, take it anywhere where I'm gonna go, playing tennis. I play tennis every weekend. That's phenomenal. Let's also take a look at innovation is our legacy and our future. Beautiful. Ooh. Oh, here we go. Here goes the big one. All right, let's move this out of the way. And let's see what's inside. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Right? Absolutely gorgeous. There are 3 bottles highlighting the start of Shaklee, 1956. We have 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. And I know exactly where I'm gonna put all 3 of them so I can display them and see them every single day. Shaklee is just absolutely wonderful. I love the products, I love the Shaklee family, and I love my new Shaklee bottles. Thank you.